Jake Foster can't stop running his fingers through his hair. I'll never get used to this, Doc. He grins. Get wheeled in as an old man, walk out young again? Last time it took weeks. Now it's a same-day procedure. I look down at his charts. Yes. Well, there's been many advances in the, 60 years since we last saw you. I'll say I should have done this sooner. It's so easy now. I wouldn't call it easy. Just quicker. Foster is brimming with energy, eager to rejoin the world as a healthy, virile 22-year-old. His charts look good, so I hand him the release forms. You're free to go, Mr. Foster. Your wife's already been discharged. She's waiting outside. His eyes gleam at the mention of his wife. Oh, they'll have fun tonight, but statistics show they'll split up soon. The young always crave fresh experiences, new knowledge. There's only one thing they never seem to learn, not until it's too late. After Foster leaves, it's time for my next duty. In another room, surrounded by machines, an old man lies waiting. Let's do this, Doc, he demands weakly. We're already done. His bald head wrinkles in confusion. I don't understand. You wanted to be downloaded into a cloned, younger body. And you were. Then why am I still here? I tap my needle, then insert it into his IV. Haven't you ever downloaded anything before? Downloading doesn't destroy the original copy. That's my job. As I watch, Jake Foster's eyes widen in fear before closing forever. Just like the previous Jake Foster, 60 years ago.